Super quick video for the PlayStation VR. Well, I guess it's not VR necessarily, but the PlayStation 4 camera adapter for the PlayStation 5. So the new camera for the PS5 is not compatible with the PS4 PlayStation VR, so you need to keep the old PS4 camera and request an adapter for free from Sony. So this is totally free. You just need to enter the serial number for the adapter box for the PSVR, and you don't even have to pay for shipping. And it even arrived on PS5 launch day. Really simple, doesn't come in any fancy box, just a very plain padded envelope, and it only comes with these two things. So you've got the adapter itself and a little instruction pamphlet. So the adapter, you've got a USB 3 port here, USB 3A, because it's blue, and it just says, this little thing says plug it into a USB port, blue to blue. And then here you got the PlayStation logo. And then this port is where you plug in the proprietary connector on the PlayStation 4 camera. On the other side, what do we see? It says content, one camera adapter, not for resale, made in China. Very simple thing, doesn't require any additional power, plugs straight in. And then for the manual, let's unfold this. What do we got here? Safety, yada yada yada, FCC warnings, warranty. The warranty paragraph is bigger than anything else on here. And over here's our diagram. You just plug it in line there. Or I guess this goes to the camera, but not the plugs in between the camera and the PlayStation 4. And then you need the PSVR box for the serial code to order the adapter. Yeah, dead simple. What do we got here? French. So this is the English and French instruction manual. Here's the PS4 to PS5 camera adapter. Dead simple. So, out of the bag, it is the matte finish here. And the cable is a little slick and slimy, but these corners and edges are very pointy. So here's my cable for my PS4 camera. You can see that's not a standard USB, which is why you need the adapter. And then here's the adapter. You can see the port is actually recessed in. So when you combine the two, let's see, this way. So PlayStation logos up on both sides. It actually goes in, and you can see it sits really flush. Well, mostly flush. There's maybe like a half a millimeter sticking out there. And then that plugs into one of the rear USB 3 ports of your PlayStation 5.